Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage, and in today's video I got the Mustang right here, and as you can see right behind me, we got a whole parts overhaul for this thing. Literally every single part that we need to complete the build. We even got new wheels and tires right here, literally everything. And some of the stuff is obvious, as the wheels and tires, the hood right there, but there's a bunch of boxes that we need to unbox. So I'm gonna start unboxing them, and then we're gonna probably somewhere right here, I'm gonna start adding up the total cost of the build. So let's get to unboxing. And then as I unbox the parts, I'll keep adding it right here. So let's go. Alright guys, so that is literally all the parts that we thought of for now. There's probably there's always some miscellaneous pieces that you will need, so we're probably gonna head over to the junkyard after we make another list. But for now, start working on the suspension, because that lower control arm, even the insurance company marked it, it's clapped out. And over there in the box, we got a brand new one. So I'm gonna jack the car up. Whoops. There we go. Take the wheels off and work on that control arm. And then when we're done with that, we're gonna replace these wheels with those right over there. Alright, check it out. There's the old one, man. That thing was bent up. It looks like everything else is good though. Let's compare the old one and the new one.
Now check that out. Sheesh.
Alright guys, check it out. No more the blown up tire thing or whatever, nothing, no more flats. Things have no curb rash whatsoever. I mean, everything's good. These wheels aren't even in that bad condition. Most of those just driving on this blown up tire. So for today, I think what else I'm going to do is work on the interior a little bit, take the airbags off. None of the seat belts deployed. Take off the knee airbag and the steering wheel airbag. Should be really simple and easy. So I'll start working on that. Seat belts look like they're good to go, but alright, so it happens all the time. Whenever the airbag blows up, the connections actually melt on because it gets super hot. So more money we gotta waste. We gotta replace the clock spring now with the wiring harness for the airbag. So you have to remove a bunch of stuff just to gain access to that lower knee airbag. There we go. The airbag's now off. Alright guys, so thank y'all for watching another video from Upstate Garage. And as you can see, we're already working on part 3. So subscribe down below, hit the like button. In the next video, as you can see, we already primered the car. So we're going to knock out all the Bondo, the bodywork, fiberglass, glazing putty, you name it, we do it. So stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and peace.